Time to get into tutorials.
Should be bouncing back.
Alright, I want to show you guys right here. So, you scan the barcode, you guys can enter our giveaway. You can see our books, you can see our courses. You can win iPhones, cash, stuff to help you on your journey. You can win books, courses, everything you guys need. Also, we got a lot of courses on how to make money online quickly. We got methods where you can spend 10 to 15 minutes a day and 5 to 10x your money without trading. So some really good methods in there. A lot of good courses, coding courses, everything. Check them out. Scan that barcode. You can see everything there, whole store. If you want to see our merch, in the link below, you guys can see our merch. We have a merch store live, and you can donate and tip. All right, I want to get into this tutorial. Let's get into it. How to make $3,000 per day passive income. So everyone knows. If not, I'm going to do the math right now for you guys what $3,000 a day passive income is. For people who are in the Real Bros Millionaire Club, you guys already know. But let's get it. $3,000 a day equals 1 mil per year. So if you guys make $3,000 a day, you'll be making 1 mil a year. It's perfect. So let me go into some tips. We got a full course, and we got the Real Bros Millionaire Club where you guys can learn fully in detail for your specific case and scenario. So if you guys have a certain amount of money, if you guys have certain technology, you don't have a phone, whatever your particular situation is, scan that barcode. You can pay $5 a month, join the Real Bros Millionaire Club, and we also have courses and books in there that can help you guys. But in the club, you'll get one-on-one mentorship from us, so that's really going to help you. But this right here is going to be a general tutorial. So in order to do this, if you want to make $3,000 a day passively, you need offers. Not just any offers, too. You guys need multiple offers. Or continuity offers. It can be affiliate offers, which I show you guys all the best ones inside the Real Bros Millionaire. Or it can be your own business, your own music, and there's lots of more. I'm gonna put, because there's so much more offers, a lot more. Like, this is not it, guys. There's a lot more, and we're gonna go into Q&A after. So you guys need offers. That's number one. Now you're asking, what do I do with my offers? This is a good question. You guys want to take your offers and get the brush tool. You guys want to take these offers and you want people to view your offers. Alright, now bear with me, guys. I'm just gonna switch. You want to send people at your offers. Sure, size good. Everyone on TikTok, let me know if you guys can see it too. So you want people to view your offers. Simple. It's like it's simple. It's simple. The more complex stuff goes into what do you do day by day, stuff like that, which questions we're going to answer in the Q&A, and then we answer in the courses and specifically how to set it up. But this is the overall strategy you guys want to use. Alright, so you need people to view your offers. Where do you get people from? Facebook, real life, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Twitch. And much more places. All these places have people. So for example, if I was selling hot dogs in the street, I had a hot dog cart. That's my offer, selling pretzels and hot dogs. I have my cart, and I go park it in a place where there's thousands of people walking by. Now I have people. A percentage of those people are going to come and buy my hot dogs and pretzels. It's a business. And that's how it works. Now, if my hot dog cart was online, like Uber Eats or something, I have my hot dog cart store on Uber Eats website, and then people going on Uber Eats on their phone app searching for food places, and a percentage of those people are going to see my hot dog food cart on Uber Eats, and they're going to buy my hot dog food cart. And, you know, whether it's online or in real life, it's all about a percentage of people buying your items. So now you want to, how can I just gave you one scenario how to get people online, but there's other ways to get people online. And the next step is content and ads. So you want to make content or ads that promote the product that you're selling, your offers. So these promote the offers. What type of content you say? Like, I have a whole list of specific types of content in the Real Bros Millionaire Club, where it's like, I'll show you guys exactly the best style, the best angle to catch, show you guys examples of other posts that went viral, made me money. You guys can see examples of making other people money. There's a whole list of examples and everything. There's over like 7 hours of content. But in this little tutorial, I'm just gonna, you need to make offers that promote. So you want to do like reviews. Want to review what you have. Do some reviews for your content. Do what is it called? User generated content. You know, have people eating your food. So I have this hot dog cart, and I have someone say, "What's coming?" He does a review, eats a pretzel, and like, "Oh, this pretzel is amazing." Just catch it on video, post that video on. You guys already know. We take that video of him saying that, post it on these social network sites where the people is at, and these people see that and they see a link to it, and then these people go to the offer and buy. Now, how do we get to our $3,000 a day goal? So now, to get to $3,000 a day, let's say I sell my pretzels for $10 each, just to make it simple. Say I got $10 pretzels, right? In order to make $3,000 a day, I have to sell how many pretzels? 300 pretzels. So 300 pretzels per day. I gotta sell 300 pretzels per day, so I have to get 300 people to come buy my pretzels every day. So let's say I have a conversion rate of every time 100 people walk past my pretzel cart, 3 people buy my pretzels. So I have a 3% conversion rate. 3% conversion rate on my pretzels. So in order to get 300 people to buy at a 3% conversion rate, I'm going to use my calculator here. And I'm also going to make sure you guys don't lose this mic right here. Let me see my other charger actually. Give me a second, guys. I'm going to make sure you guys don't lose the sound. Thank you, Wooks. Always helping set up, make sure you guys don't lose. He's keeping you in touch. He also does a lot of coding and programming courses and technology courses in the Real Bros Millionaire, where we teach money. So It's really cool. So I'm using my calculator right now on my phone. So I have 3% conversion rate. So 100 divided by 3 is 33.33 times 300. So 10,000 people. So now I get this tool again. So if 10,000 people see my Pritzls with a 3% conversion rate, I'll sell 300 Pritzls a day. And that would make me $3,000 a day. So now I have to make my posts on using these platforms. I want to get my text out. 10,000 views per day at 3% conversion. Alright, so it's a little messy, guys, but you guys get the gist of it. So 100 Pritzls a day, I need 10,000 people to see my ad that gets a 3% conversion rate. So I need to post ads on these networks until 10,000 people see them, 10,000 views, which is not hard to do. There's people getting millions of views a day, but I gotta get 10,000 views per day. So I might have, let's say I post one video and it gets 100 views. I'm like, all right, I'm gonna post 100 more vids a day until I reach my 10,000 people and get my 3% conversion rate. So very simply put, that's how you guys make $3,000 a day passively online. So now the passive part comes in where, how do you make this passive? Get my, okay. In order to make this whole process passive, you need to hire people. So that now, if I go back here, let's say I have this dude right here. He works. This dude works for me, right? His job is to post 100 posts 100 times on social media, and that gets me 10,000 views, and those 10,000 views gets me $3,000 per day, and this is me. And I pay him. He posts again. I get paid, and this is the cycle of how to make $3,000 a day passively. So we're going to more businesses you guys can do specifically in the Real Bros Millionaire Club. I'm gonna open back up this link right here so you guys can see it. All right, so right here, you scan this barcode. You go to you can enter giveaways first of all, win money and stuff. But you go scan this link and you join the Real Bros Millionaire Club. In the Real Bros Millionaire Club, you tell us like, hey, yo, I like to play guitar, or I like to do this. I make music, I do art, whatever you do that you love to do, you let us know in there. You can chat with us live. You be like, yo, I love to do this. How can I make $3,000 a day doing this? And me or Woogs will answer and we'll be like, all right, based on this, you have this much money, you have this much time. Based on what you're telling us, I think this is the best route for you to make $3,000 per day. And we'll hold your hand and walk you through the best process to make money online for you. And if you guys want to take it a step farther, we actually can do it for you. So I'm gonna show you guys that. Uh, so let's say you guys are like, you know what, like I don't know where to start. I don't have time to do any of this, and I need help. You can come over here to realbrosnetwork.gumroad.com. I'll leave the link below. And, we got all our courses. We got our books. Courses for $1 up here. $2 courses. Some courses are $140. Some courses are more money. You can do a strategy call with us, 30 to 60 minutes. Or if you go here and you join the Real Bros Millionaire Club, you can pay for the bronze. If you don't have much money, just pay $5 a month. Put on your credit. It's $5. You pay that, and now you're making $10K a month because you have our coaching and our one-on-one mentorship. Or you can pay up to $50 a month, and we'll coach you up to getting $50,000 a month, where you can really, have a lot of money. But let's say you don't want to do the work yourself, the setup yourself, and that's how you get guys in the giveaways. By the way, if you really want to help and you don't want to do it yourself, which is okay, you can come through, click down here, and we will build the business for you. You pay us, it's $1,900 one-time payment. You pay us within 2 months, you'll have an operating business that's making you passive income every day, and you're just sitting back collecting, paying your employees that we hired for you and everything, and you have a fully operating business. So you guys can, 30-day money back guarantee and everything. So if it doesn't make money, you get your money back and everything. So build you a full operating business there. So that's a simple way to do it. We're gonna jump into our Q&A or TikTok. Let me sure you guys can see it over here.